Okay, we're here at Rocks Hotel. So these are what some of the balconies look like. Got some nice balcony doors and overlooking the bridge. That's Science Museum. It's Fisherman's Wharf. So we're gonna head on down. You can see all the ones all the way down. We're gonna go on in, check everything out. I'm just closing that door behind me so you can kind of see there's a very Europeanish feel everywhere. And then check out that bathroom right there too. Yeah, this kind of, what do you call those? Those ones that kind of have those feet like that. Yeah, the modern shower as well. Okay, let's go this way. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna keep exploring. So I got permission to go up into one of these rooms and just kind of check it out and show you a little bit. You got all these beautiful chandeliers here, and yeah, this is called the Rocks Hotel. It's right at Fisherman's Wharf, and it has a really strong European feel to it. And I think what we're gonna do, there's an elevator as well. It's kind of European paintings. These kind of ones that like modern lights that look like chandeliers. And we're going to check it all out. So we just came from here. Get some paintings. More paintings. Bird. Couple birds. All kinds of interesting stuff. Another night. And we're gonna go to the outside. So that's what it looks like inside a little bit, and then we're gonna kind of circle the wagons a little bit. We come out this way. So you got the same view, right? And then up there was other the balconies. Pretty cool. So we're gonna go around it in a minute. Okay, let's just keep on exploring the Rocks Hotel. So we're gonna go, I think we're gonna go around this way first. Got some music. Actually, the music's coming from right there, so that might actually be a problem for my video. So I'm gonna turn this off once we get here. Okay, so that's the bridge that goes from Taipa, and I gotta get away from the music. The music is a YouTuber nightmare. Basically, I'll have to narrate I'll have to cut off all the sounds. Let's see. Get away from that a little bit more. Okay. Beautiful in here. Yeah, that music is a problem. There's the backside of the rocks. And we're gonna kind of fade in a little bit, and then I'm gonna be careful about that music. Okay, so we got some beautiful statue right here, and then we're gonna get a view of the rocks as well. So now you can have this beautiful view like that. Then you can see the sign right there, the Rocks Hotel. I'm just gonna go down a little bit. That's called the Africana right there. So that's the one side of the rocks, and over here we have some other stuff. I think I'm far away from the music. Hey, there's a little plaything for kids. So the Fisherman's Wharf, we're basically at the Fisherman's Wharf, and we're at the Rocks Hotel, and there's always music that overplays sometimes, even at 3 in the morning, which isn't very good for YouTubers. And we have this right here. This is Africana. And this is a bar that's closed, but it used to be a really cool bar. They'd have like little spaces for darts and billiards and karaoke, so they'd have different huts for each one. But it looks like that's all closed now. Dick's Restaurant, okay. Oh, they got some nice rooms right there too. Nice balconies. Okay. And we got some casinos here, like Babylon, I think it's called. So that's Rocks Hotel. More cool stuff that way. And we're just gonna kind of venture off this way, and we'll try to show you a little bit of the other stuff around here, like Babylon. Come across to the front. So yeah, that's Rocks Hotel right there. The music is hope it doesn't have any issues with the camera. Yeah, Sands Casino is over that way. Babylon is over that way. And that's all Rocks Hotel. Here we go. So that's all the rocks right there, that whole thing. And that's the view right there. So that bridge goes all the way to Taipa. And we'll stop it right when we get near it. The Rocks Hotel. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.